Hey tech enthusiasts, you may not be thinking about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra right now, but trust me, Samsung definitely is. Even with the Galaxy S24 launch still fresh in our minds, work on the next big thing is already underway. So today we're diving into the latest rumors, leaks, and some educated guesses about what Samsung's next flagship might bring to the table. Let's get into it. First things first, when can we expect to see the Galaxy S25 Ultra? While it's still early days, recent trends suggest Samsung could continue moving up their release dates. The Galaxy S24 dropped earlier than ever in January 2024. So if that pattern holds, we might be looking at another mid-January launch for the S25 Ultra. But be prepared for some surprises, especially with CS 2025 potentially shaking things up. Now let's talk pricing. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price bump to $1,299, so will the S25 Ultra follow suit? It's tough to say, but rumors are swirling that the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset could drive up costs. Samsung might keep things steady, but with flagship prices creeping up across the board. Don't be shocked if we see a bit more added to that price tag. Design-wise, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could bring some subtle yet impactful changes. Leaks suggest a curved back but a flat front, and it might just be the thinnest Ultra yet at 8.4mm, while the basic design might not change drastically. We could see a slightly larger display up to 6.9 inches and possibly a brighter one too. Samsung has been pushing those brightness levels, so expect the S25 Ultra to continue that trend. The camera is where things get really exciting. Samsung has been leading the pack with its 200-megapixel main sensor, and the S25 Ultra could take things even further. Rumors suggest an upgraded wide-angle lens and a massive jump from 12-megapixel to 50-megapixel for the ultra-wide lens. There's also talk of variable capabilities for the telephoto lens, which could mean smoother zooms and better video capture. But here's the kicker, there might only be 3 rear lenses instead of 4. How would that impact overall performance? We'll have to wait and see. When it comes to performance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be a powerhouse. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset is rumored to deliver a huge boost in power, possibly rivaling Apple's E18 Bionic. And don't worry if Samsung decides to use an Exynos chip. In some regions, the Exynos 2500 might be more efficient than ever. Plus, with AI becoming a bigger focus, we can expect new Galaxy AI features and possibly even a generative AI update for Bixby. Faster storage, more RAM, and enhanced on-device AI capabilities could make the S25 Ultra a multitasking beast. Battery life is always a concern, especially with all that power under the hood. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to stick with a 5,000 mAh battery, but efficiency improvements could help it last even longer, and with Android 15 on board, plus potentially 7 years of software support, the S25 Ultra will be future-proofed for a long time. Satellite connectivity might also be in the cards, adding another layer of functionality. And that's all we've got for now on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's still early, but the leaks and rumors already have us hyped for what's coming in 2025. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates as we get closer to launch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.